So hello and welcome back to AutoCAD tutorials. In today's session, we are going to see how we can change our dimension style. So for that, command is DIMSTY. So I will enter DIMSTY and enter. So this will open a dimension style manager box. As you can see on the screen, we have two basic dimension options, annotative and ISO 25. If I want to add a new dimension style, so I will simply click here on new. Now it is asking me for a name. So I will specify my name as type 1. Now click on continue. Now as you can see, we have option of first lines. Now here we have dimension lines, extension lines. So what these all are? If I will change the line of dimension lines, so you can see change over here. The dimension line has been turned to red color. In this way we can change dimension lines color. And if we want to change any kind of line type or line weight, we can similarly change this all from here. Now here we have an option of suppress dimension line 1 and dimension line 2. So what are they? If I will click here, you can see one arrow has been gone. If I will click on other, the second one is gone, and if I will click on both, the dimension lines are completely gone. Similarly, we have same options in extension lines. If we will change color, the color of extension line will get changed. Similarly, we can change line type for both the lines and line weight as well. And as well, we have option of suppressing them. Now here we have one more option of extend beyond dimension lines. You can see here the extension lines are extended beyond the dimension lines everywhere. So if I will turn this to 0, our dimension line and extension line will merge at this point. Similarly, if we will change offset from origin, by default you can see here on the screen there is a gap between object and the extension line. So if I will make it as 0, that gap will be erased. So I will change it again to 0.625, and you can see again gap has been created. So now we will see options available in symbols and arrows. If we want to change type of arrow, we can change from here. You can see if I am changing first, both of them are getting changed. Architectural tick, dotted, everything. If I want to change the second one, I can change that as well. Can you see changes? Now here we can change arrow style of leader as well. First of all, I will keep it same both. We can change here leader style as well. We have no leader shown in this box, so we are not able to see that changes what it will make. We can change arrow size also from here. I changed it to 5, so you can see the change. Arrow size has been increased. I will again make it 2.5. Now this was all in symbols and arrows. Now let us see what options are available in text. So in text, in this drop down list, we have two options, annotative and standard. So if we want some other kind of text, we can click here on square box, and from here font name we can click on this flyer and we will get lots of option for the text available with us. So I will click on Times New Roman and I will change this to bold or bold it, like it's up to us, and click on apply and close this. So you can see the text which has been written in different font has been changed to Times New Roman. Similarly, we can change our text color as well. Now what is this fill color? I will show you. First I want to show you what is draw frame around text. You can see currently there are no frames around the text. If I will click this option, a frame is drawn over here. And now let us see the fill color. That frame will be filled by a particular type of color, as you can see. So I want no color, so I will keep it as none. So if I don't want any kind of frame, I can just keep this option off. If I want a frame around, I can keep this option on. Similarly, we can change text height from here. Whatever height we want, it will change accordingly. We can also change placement of the text here, whether we have to keep centered, we have to keep it above the line, we have to keep it below the line. It's up to us what we have to place. We can keep it as horizontally at extension line 1 over extension line 2, or centered. We have lots of option in this also. Now let us see options available in fit. So here I am interested only in one type of option, that is here, use overall scale of. If I will change this scale, it will scale extension lines, dimension lines, arrows. So if I will change it to 2.5, it has changed. So I can change scale from here. Now in primary units, let us see, here we have unit format from where we can change our unit to whatever unit we want to set, whether we want decimal or everything is available over here. So now you can see here we have 14,11. If we will see here, we have precision of 0.00. If I will click here on 4-digit precision, then you can see 4-digit precision has came over here. If I will keep 0 precision, decimal points has been erased off. Now decimal separator is comma, therefore we are seeing here comma. So I will change it to periods. So we will get a point over there. And also we can change precision of degrees. You can see 60.00 degree precision has changed at that point. So we can change from here our precisions and our primary units. So this was the basic editing which we can do in our dimension editing. So if we are finalized with the stuff, so we can directly press here on OK. And if we want to use this, click on this and place as set current and close this dialog box. Now if you will draw any kind of dimension, it will draw in the style which is created by you. Can you see this? And if you want to use some other kind of style, just go in annotate. From this drop down list, click here on ISO 25. So that will be activated. So if I want to select radius, so you can see now it has specified this in ISO 25. You can see the changes. Here it is comma. Here we have decimal separator. The same dimension I will again show you with this option. So I will again take dimension of radius, selected this. You can see the difference between both the styles. So in this way we can change our dimension style. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can mention it in comment box. And thanks for watching this video.